Hello, hello. Welcome back to Casey Online Learning for 2022. Now, what we're looking at is the Roland HS-5 Session mixer. And you'll know that in the previous video I did the actual unboxing. Now I'm going to take you through some of the features that I've been playing around with for the last couple of days. You can see here we've got the 4 input channels, A, B, C, D. Also, you can use E as an input channel as well. I found out by reading the instructions. I know that most guys don't like to do that, but it is often useful. Now, what I also found out is that the input buttons here, as you can see here, the input buttons right there, 1, 2, 3, 4, they allow you to change the parameters of the input that you have. So for example, you can change between line input, where you just hear the clear signal from the instrument that you're putting in, for example, an electronic drum kit. Then you've got guitar, bass and microphone. And if you scroll through those by pressing the input button, it will change the filters that are applied. So for example, I played around today with the guitar on input A, and it's also got about 10 different features of guitar amplifiers, simulations. Okay, so I will, if you have a listen to the track underneath this video, you'll hear a couple of the different options. One was like a Vox AC30 style, and another one, the more distorted one, was a Marshall 1959 head style. So you've got that available to you as well. Now, as I mentioned in the unboxing video, one of the features I really liked was the click. Okay, now I've also experimented with recording too. You'll see here you've got 2 USB inputs, one input and one output. So the output here is to a computer. You can connect it to your DAW and record your whole band if you wish, or individual tracks using this as an individual mixer. And you can also plug in a USB here for a memory stick and record either yourself individually or the whole band. Now, one thing I was a little bit disappointed about is that when you record the band to the memory stick, or your individual performance to the memory stick, to the USB stick, it doesn't record the click track. So the click track is just playing in your headphones while you are recording. And you use these buttons, this one, this one and this one, those are the buttons for controlling the USB recording. So stop, play, and there's your record button. Now, the other good thing about the headphone inputs here is that you've got headphone inputs for both small and large jack, which is very handy. Now, if we take a look at the back panel, you'll see here that you have got XLR inputs for microphones, you've got stereo left and right jacks, and you can also plug in mono, such as the guitar that I was experimenting with today. So that's the back panel. Then on the side here, you've got a main mix out and your E channel. Now in the instructions it says that you can use your E channel for just plugging in, say, a keyboard, so that you can have up to 5 band members connected to your device. And these little rotary controls up here control the input of each of the individual channels, and you can also change the reverb level on each of the channels as well. So there's some really great features on this, and it's a fantastic tool, as I said, for recording your band straight onto a USB stick, but also mainly for silent band practices, which is why I bought it for the school that I'm working at, so that I can have 4 or 5 musicians in the practice room all rehearsing. I can just come along, plug my headphones in and listen to what they're doing, but outside the band practice is silent. Now the only feature that I didn't really Well, the only thing I found a bit frustrating about this was that you cannot change the sound of the click track. It is only just a blip, blip, blip click track sound. But that really is the only thing. There's a lot of great features in this Roland HS-5 Session mixer that makes it perfect for band practicing. Okay, thank you for listening to another Casey Online Learning video. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you again soon. I think the next video we'll do will connect a drum kit to this. We'll see how it works with an electronic drum kit. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.